In this video, you'll learn how to sound like a minion using ElevenLabs. By following these instructions, you will create a playful and exaggerated voice that mimics the beloved characters from the animated movies. Begin by opening the ElevenLabs text-to-speech interface. You may need to log in if prompted, so ensure that you have your account details ready. Once the interface is visible, look for the options to select the voice model. Choose either ElevenLabs V3 or Multilingual V3 for the best results. Next, direct your attention to the voice selection area. Here, select any light or neutral male voice that suits your preference. Once you've made your selection, you will see the text input area ready for you to type. Enter the exact text provided for the minion voice. Type in the following text precisely as shown. Rye, bellow, banana, papoy. After typing this, locate the generate button and click it to create your audio. After the audio is generated, listen to the playback. If it does not sound minion-like enough, you can enhance it using stronger vocal cues. For this, adjust the text to include the following: extremely high-pitched, over-the-top cartoon creature voice, goofy, chaotic, excited, bellow, banana, poopy. Then click generate again to produce the new audio. To maximize the effectiveness of your minion voice, keep in mind some tips. Ensure that you push certain traits such as a very high pitch, fast pacing, and childlike chaos. Focus on exaggerated emotion and use a writing style that emphasizes short bursts, nonsense words, and repetition. Incorporate laughs liberally throughout your text to achieve the desired effect. Avoid using long sentences, clear English grammar, or calm delivery, as these will detract from the chaotic and silly essence of the minions. Remember that the goal is to encapsulate pure chaos and silliness in your audio output.